So yeah, I'm just so hyped. Like, I don't know why I'm always so hyped. But I'm going to be doing a video on some new products that I purchased. I am so excited to show you all these. Like, I've been literally, y'all just don't know the struggle I've been going through. So I've been posting pre-recorded videos. So I know you're probably like, oh, your videos have not been like up to date or whatever, you know, but literally, like, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. Like, I had to take a massive test that I'm so nervous about. So yeah, I had to take that. So I've been studying for that lately. So I'm back. So I have a ton of makeup that I want to show you all how to use. I got the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. I'm going to be showing you all how to use that. I got the Huda Beauty new, and I also got some I also got some new products from Benefits, and I'm also going to be showing you all a video on how I do my brows. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I am. Now I'm going to start off with a fresh face, and I am using my new Tarte, well, this is actually my NARS concealer, and I like to use this to kind of like color correct because it's really warm. And I'm putting that in the areas where I want to color correct, and I'm just taking that and smoothing it out. So after that, I'm going to be taking my Shape Tape concealer. I think it's called Shape Tape or Tape. I get them mixed up all the time, but I'm taking my beauty blender now and blending that out. And that concealer on top by Tarte is basically just making the tone blend in a little bit more of my skin tone. So it's kind of neutralizing it a little bit and making it a little less red. So now after that, I'm taking my new brush by Huda Beauty and the new Huda Beauty foundation, and I am going to squirt a little bit of that on the brush and go to work. I'm also going to talk to y'all a little bit about the foundation just so you all can, you know, see what I like, what I don't like, and yeah, so it looks really good going on. And I'm just taking that brush and blending it out. I really like the brush. I'm glad I got it. I really like a nice flat top brush. And I'm taking a little bit more of that Shape Tape, but this is in an even lighter color. And I'm going in and highlighting with that, and I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. So now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and I'm going on lightly. I don't really like putting this on my face, but I just do it when I'm like in a rush, or, you know, just don't have another brush on hand, or don't want to get that other brush dirty or dark. So I'm just taking that and blending it out. And this came in the matchstick trio, and I just really use this darker color. I really don't use the other colors that came in the trio. I didn't really care for the matchstick under the eye, just me personally, but I love it to contour. So how y'all liking this so far? I mean, I have worn this foundation. I don't like applying it, that's just the honest truth, but I do like the aftermath, like how it looks after the fact. Like, I love the finish of this foundation. As far as how matte it is, I love that it's matte, but I did tend to get a little bit oily, like around my nose area, my T-zone, and that's what I really don't like. It just started to get a little shiny, but it did stay matte everywhere else. Maybe it's just my T-zone. I should probably use a more mattifying primer, and they do have a primer to go with it, and I forgot to use it. I thought it was in here. My behind forgot to use it, but it's cool. It's their Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base, and it comes with a little sample of it, and I thought I bought it, but clearly I didn't. I did buy 2 colors because I didn't know what my color was going to be, so I did buy 2 colors of this, and it ended up being the cinnamon. This is the cinnamon that I'm using right now. But I basically wanted to use newer products because I know a lot of you are probably like, oh, I don't know if I should get it or not, but I want to show you how it wears. So that's the most important thing. So I did my brows with Benefit products, and if you want to see how I do my brows, updated video, updated brow tutorial, I will have that posted as well. So I'll have the link down below so you can check that out. And now I'm going to go in and do my eyes. I'm going to be using Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I really hate that it doesn't come with a brush, but so I'm going to be using my Anastasia brush, the duo-sided brush. One, it has a fluffy end and the other side has a little flat end. And I was counting, in the Anastasia palettes they do come with 14 colors, while the Too Faced palette comes with 16, and they're a little bit bigger. So I guess it kind of makes up for not having a brush. You get more colors. And then, as you can see, I know y'all probably have already seen the palette, but they have those two big sections, and then the rest of them are smaller sections, but they're still a little bit bigger than Anastasia palette. So I guess it kind of makes up for it. So now we're gonna go in. I'm using Painterly by MAC Cosmetics, and it's their paint pot. And I've been using this for years. Like, I love it. It's my go-to most of the time. That and like NYX. I like their pencils, their jumbo pencils, to use as primers as well, because they just make the colors pop. So I'm going in, I'm outlining my eyelid. So that's the eyes prime, and Painterly is a nice color. It's the perfect color for a lid primer, and it's not, instead of using just white, but white does make those colors pop though, I can't even lie. So now I'm gonna go in with the fluffy side of the brush, and I'm gonna be taking this So Bougie and just blending out those harsh lines where I put down the primer. And now we're going to speed it up, because I'm going to be showing y'all everything that I'm using and putting it in place. And I don't want it to drag out the video, because sometimes my videos tend to be long, so I'm trying to stop that. Unless y'all like that, comment down below if y'all like that, but right now we're going to speed it on up. So now I'm going in with this nice brown color, which is kind of like my skin tone, and I'm taking that and blending out where the crease was when I put the primer down, and I'm taking that black and I'm deepening it out a little bit. So as I deepen out my crease, I'm just gonna keep blending back and forth, and this is going to create that perfect shape for your eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be taking these nice gold colors in the palette, and I'm just mixing those and placing them on the lid right on top of where I placed that primer down. And I just had to mix. I just couldn't help it. Like, it's so many pretty colors in there. It's a great amount of gold colors in this palette, of course, because it's called the chocolate gold. So I'm just mixing all of these golds and creating a really pretty tone on my eyelid. I'm loving this. Like, I fell in love. So now I am taking my eyeliner and I am darkening out my waterline, and I'm taking my top liner and I'm placing that on the top. So now I'm taking my mascara by Lancome, and I am doing my lashes, and there you have that. And now your girl is cleaning it up a little bit, cleaning that wing liner up with a little bit of concealer, because you gotta have that perfect wing. Girl, get it right, girl, get it right. So now I'm taking this really pretty purple color, because y'all know I love some purple, and purple makes those brown eyes pop. So I'm taking that and placing that down below. So now I'm taking Bittersweet by MAC Cosmetics, one of my favorite lip liners. It really goes with pretty much everything. And I'm lining my lips. I had a little bit of lip gloss on, so yeah, so now I'm taking this really pretty bronze shimmer lipstick by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm placing that on my lips. And I'm gonna go in with my lashes now, and I am placing those on. Of course, I let my glue dry for a little bit. That's my trick. And they stick, literally stick right on. So now I'm taking the new Taraji MAC lip gloss, and I'm loving this gold tone, and I'm putting some Buxom lip gloss on top just because the Buxom has that plumping effect, and I love a good plump lip, honey, okay? And I'm just cleaning everything up with my liner, adding a little bit more. And there you have it. Here's me acting a little clatchet. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're a new subscriber, and if you're new to my channel. And yes, I will see you all in the next video. I also have a giveaway coming up soon, so stay tuned for that as well. See you all in the next one. Bye. And don't forget to check out my brow tutorial on how I do these awesome brows. And I really need my brows done. Like the top part is just like, they're so long.